The Sault Ste. Marie tribe of Chippewa Indians was awarded the Partnerships to Improve Community Health grant, funded through the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which aims to create and promote environments that provide commercial, tobacco-free living, active living, healthy eating, and healthy and safe physical environments for all tribal and community members who live in Chippewa, Mackinac, Luce, Alger, Delta, Schoolcraft, and Marquette counties. The Partnerships to Improve Community Health Awards, also referred to as PICH, are part of a U.S. Department of Health and Human Services initiative to support public health efforts to reduce chronic diseases, promote healthier lifestyles, reduce health disparities, and control healthcare spending.
When we heard about crosswalk art, we decided we were going to try it. We painted 7 crosswalks, and we reached out to various local artists. They came up with an idea and a scheme, and then we got volunteers to help implement the art along with our local artists that did the work. And it was a huge hit. We saw people walking so much more. From a healthy living standpoint and a walkability standpoint, I think it's one of the first physical links that has caused people to move more downtown.
Everything that's in here has kids' hands on it somewhere, whether it be the watering system, getting the ventilation up and working. It's been a very good project, and I think for the most part the kids really enjoy the change of pace, the getting out of the classroom and coming to the outdoor classroom instead of sitting in chairs.
I think it's really fun. It's fun to grow new things, and growing things naturally and selling them locally is a lot better than buying the store-bought ones with a ton of preservatives in it, because it's just not as healthy.
Probably the biggest feedback that we received was from the food service department. They are really excited about the items that we have available, and it's a learning process. Some of the lettuces that we grow, they found what kids like, what kids don't like, but it helps them meet the healthy school criteria that they continue to provide access to a colorful variety of produce, and this is a very inexpensive way for them to do that.
And Partnerships to Improve Community Health allowed us to invest in creating an Eastern Upper Peninsula native garden. Currently it features sweetgrass, strawberries, sumac, cedar, and ostrich ferns, which are all native plants. So that's been a huge hit, and the market in general, with the support from PICH, is continuing to grow and continuing to become stronger.
The Sault Ste. Marie tribe of Chippewa Indians has done work towards increasing access to tobacco-free outdoor recreation areas, reducing youth initiation of commercial tobacco products, including electronic nicotine delivery devices and dissolvable nicotine products, reducing exposure to secondhand smoke, increasing access to healthy foods and beverages in childhood settings and schools, and providing increased access to physical activity in schools and communities through community design standards to increase walking and biking.
Well, we started with a few people that went out to the island thinking this would be a great place to renovate this kind of fallen down structures. There's places there that needed some work, and maybe the public would want to get out and use this city-owned island. As we developed proposals for this, it kind of flourished into a bigger project, which now, of course, it's evolved into many people using this particular site.
Well, certainly getting people out and enjoying the water has been a big success. Any means that we can use in this community to draw more people into the area to recreate and participate in tourist-related activities is a major plus. Prior to the improvements occurring out there, I had never seen anybody kayaking, canoeing, using the water in that area for recreational purposes outside of powerboating. And now that the park is there with the Sioux Tribe PICH improvements, there's people out there every weekend.
The Sioux Tribe Community for Health PICH grant has assisted Munising Bay Trail Network by allowing us to create a playground for bikes, basically. We're able to upgrade our single-track trail and add features like the boulder features and the bridge you see behind me. And it's just an amazing place to be outside. I think it's going to impact the community by being able to use this trail year-round. We're also going to snowshoe and backcountry ski, maybe at some point snow bike even up here. And then increasing tourism in the community is just going to help the local economy as well.
So the Market Walk is a program where people can come to the Sioux Tribe Health Department walking track, and for every mile that they walk, they can earn a $1 token that they can then spend at the farmer's market on fruits and vegetables. There's been whole families that have come and walked together. working as a family to exercise together, have some good quality time together, and then they're earning tokens that they can purchase fruits and vegetables together at the farmers market.
The farmer trails that we had there were very hilly, a lot of them, and it prevented people from going on those. But now, with the help of the Sioux Tribe Pitch Fund money, we are able to get that money to surface these old pathways for the average kind of person with, let's say, ADA compliant type disabilities.
So the bike repair stations will be located down at our public marina, and that's where our yellow bike program is located as well. The yellow bikes are used throughout the community. They're used with employees that live in our community in the summertime. We are trying to be more bike friendly in our community, and so this is going to be a way that we can actually offer one more component to make us more bike friendly.
Well, I think it's really strengthened the connections within the coalition. It's given us set goals that we can work towards and actual concrete projects like a food demo such as this that we're then working together and figuring out how do all of us fit from our different organizations to make this bigger project for our community move forward. So it's really helped us figure out what our different roles are and how we can work together the most effectively.
The PICH grant has enabled many organizations in our community to come together and collaborate on programs together, and I think without that we wouldn't get nearly as much done as we do.
By changing environments within communities, schools, and tribal grounds, the Sioux Tribe Pitch Project hopes to create a culture where the healthy choice becomes the preferred and easy choice, while reducing the rates of chronic disease and related risk factors for community and tribal members across the Sioux Tribe's 7-county service area.